So here we have the envelope to put our pattern into. Just going to come along and I'm just going to put the things in which I want to go onto it, so that we know that this goes with this pattern. So we've got the instructions for putting our buttons on, how much fabric we need. This one, it just says adjust the pattern to your child's size. So that and that with the picture. And this is the address of my website. It tells you the name of the pattern here. This is the actual instructions for the pattern. You've got the information about the buttons and you've got the information about how much fabric you need. I'll go ahead and I'll stick all that down. And all these envelopes are really roomy. Surprisingly, you can get loads in there, as you can see. And it keeps them nice and flat. Everything stays nice and flat inside and you don't get anything rumpled up. It's a really good way to store things.